Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this again. I know it's been a long time, probably about almost 2 months. The last video I published almost 2 months ago, 21st of January this year. So the reason why I've been publishing any video is because I wanted to focus on trading only. Not saying that really creating these videos for YouTube, for you guys, any way, shape or form distract me, but I realize if I just focus on trading and nothing else, maybe, just maybe, I will get there sooner. So I'm gonna show you in the trades which I'm in right now. I'm gonna tell you what happened and what's the future plans with this funded account and then how I'm planning to get there. So first of all, what happened? So what happened is, as I already said, I wanted to focus on trading and trading only, and then I wanted to actually first record this video when I get my funded account, but I thought, I should just film this just not only for YouTube, but also for myself. When in a year time, when I look back, I'll be like, okay, I can actually come very, very far. So it's very documentation for myself as well. Now, the second, what trades I'm in and which trades I was in. I actually didn't say. The first challenge, as you know, I blow it. The second challenge, I blow it as well. And if you don't know, I uploaded as well. So, and then I'm in third challenge now. So this is my third try. And we have a saying in Czech, try until third time, because third time is the luck, or something like that in those lines. Maybe it's in English as well, I don't know. About the third challenge, I was losing. But then I apply a new strategy, or really not new strategy, but more become calm and become actually strategic about my trade, what I'm planning to do. And I'm trading in a high time frame, so I'm only trading off weekly and daily support or resistance. That's it. There is nothing else. There is not anything else on the chart. It's support, resistance, and I'm only looking at weekly, daily, and 4 hours to enter the trade. That's it. So first of all, I'll show you a CAT CHF, which I was, and you can see here. This is obviously very bearish on weekly. You can see creating a low lows, and then if we flipped here, it went bullish on weekly. Now on daily, it went bullish as well. But what I choose to, you can see this one, I already actually closed it. So I closed it on Friday, which was yesterday. So I closed it here about halfway through the stop loss. Why? Well, the reason is, I was already in NZD CAT, and as you know, if the pair is correlated, meaning if NZD CAT goes up, CAT CHF should go down. Not always, but most of the time these things happen if it's correlated. If you've been in Forex trading a long time, then you know. So I choose to close it because NZD CAT went into profit. Now the next trade was AUD JPY. This was actually really good trade, but it hit my stop loss, unfortunately. So we are obviously bullish on a weekly. We are bullish on the daily still, or actually we're currently bearish. We just flipped. But when it came down here to this zone, you can see this is my support zone, which I draw. It's just a little rectangle box. And then I waited for my entry signal, and I enter. And actually went all the way up to 1 to 2, but I was planning to take my profits here, which was 1 to 4, I believe, almost 1 to 4, and I was holding since, so this was 1st of March, Friday, so that was not this week, the week before, and I was holding it, and then you can see it just went up and down, and then eventually just broke the support, so I was wrong. But I still believe this is a good trade, so I'm gonna wait for Monday or Tuesday, see what these trades do. I'm gonna wait when this daily is gonna flip bullish. Let me see 4 hour actually. Currently Saturday, so market's closed. Or maybe when 4 hour flip bullish, maybe potentially I will re-enter, but not really sure. I will see how the markets go. And I'm still in let me see, NZD CAT. So this was a winning trade, 2 trades actually. So weekly is bullish, and then it come to my support. Let me put this on the side. It come to my support zone, and I entered. And first this one, so this was on Thursday actually last week. I entered here, and then it kind of F around for a while, actually went almost to my stop loss. Actually, the stop loss was a little bit lower. No, actually, no, it was actually the same. And then we go on 4 hour. I actually re-entered another position. When it came back, when it came back here, I saw it keep pushing up. So I tested the support on 4 hour and daily again, and I re-entered another position. So this is the position, this one. So this was 122, and I closed this position on Friday, which was yesterday, before I went to sleep. This was really good profit, and I'm still in the first trade, which, if this is gonna work out, it'll be 1, 2, 2, 3, something like that. I still believe we will go even higher. I think it's gonna break these highs and continue up. If you look at the weekly, I think it's gonna go all the way. I don't know what the hell is this, what I'm drawing here. Anyway, it's yeah, actually it could still go. Let me get this. I think it should do something like this, and then go all the way down up here, and then continue down. But that's another story. We'll see what's gonna happen with that. Oops. So yeah, so that's the trades I'm currently in. And also, I forgot to actually mention, I'm in crypto. My crypto trades, or trades really like a long-term trades or investments, swing trades, whatever you might call it, is actually profitable. So I was holding XRP last year, and I sold it. I sold it for loss. I had around 8,000 or 8,500 XRPs, and as you know, XRP is just not moving at all. So I sold it, cut my loss, about $3,000 in loss, and I bought new positions. And I'm currently triple, or actually quadruple, of my portfolio. So this is my portfolio. You can see my positions. These ones: CD5, Polkastat, POW, Engine Starter, Play Blue Games, Sidus, Mirror. That's just kind of fun. This one I was seed investor, Ether Games, Carbon Browser. I was seed investor as well. I'm still in eGold. I'm not sure what the hell this is gonna do, but whatever. Cornucopias, big project. I think it's gonna go really good. Hive Game Token. I was in seed investor as well. Already took my profits on this one. Plays Up, this is gonna be big as well, I believe, because it's already a mobile game. Bugme Games, big projects, big gaming studio actually. Pay Network, another launchpad. Ponke is like a meme coin really. I just put a couple hundred. Chain Games, I don't know what the hell this is gonna do. Chain Games, I've been in this project since like 2021, and I actually made very good profit, which I didn't take, and I give it all back. So I'm still in it. I'm just gonna wait what's gonna happen, but I don't really care about it. Luna, this is what I received after my crash with USD. I bought some Heroes Maria, IEGs, Weaponos, same project. I've been in this one forever, but not very big hopes. Card Starter, same thing, not very big hopes. Celestia, only a few tokens I have with this one. And all this project I don't really even want to mention. This is just when I'm watching the rest of it. That's the update on what's happening. I'm really just doing swing trade for now. I want to do swing trade because I realize swing trading is much more calm, peaceful. It's not stressful. When I was trading on 1 hour, 4 hour charts, it's really up and down. It's flip bullish, it flip bearish very quickly. On a daily and weekly, the flipping bullish and bearishness is very slow and steady. Not slow and steady. It doesn't happen as often, and it's also much more respected. If you're buying or if you're selling on weekly support or resistance, you're gonna have much more high probability that your trades actually work out. It confirmed to me with NZDK. This trade, this is a weekly, and let me go daily. I just went on daily to actually zoom into where I want to enter. And weekly, I really like the weekly. Sometimes I even look at the monthly, because the monthly is of course even better. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So I would say I'm already excited on next week trading. I believe, hopefully, with this strategy, of course, it takes longer. It doesn't really take longer. It's just you have to wait for the trade, but you can risk more on the trade because you have a high probability to win the trade. So with this strategy, I'm hopefully gonna finish the first phase by the end of this month, March, and we'll see go from there. But yeah, hopefully I'll be funded by next month. I can keep you guys posted. If you like this video, I don't know, do whatever you want. Unsubscribe, subscribe, like it, don't like it, comment, hate comments. comment beautiful comments. I don't know, ask me for advice so you can lose some cash too. I don't know. I'm still learning trading, so but at least you guys see what's going on, so then you can browse back in history, be like, oh, this guy made millions of dollars, but this is actually how he started. So I'll see you next time, guys.